order to train the AI image generator, a large dataset of images must be used, which can include anything from paintings and photographs to 3D models and game assets. The AI image generator is then trained using ML algorithms that can learn from the patterns and features present in the dataset. In training, neural networks identify and extract specific features from images, such as shapes, textures, and colors. Once the AI image generator has been trained, it can generate new images based on a set of input parameters or conditions. These parameters can include things like style, color, texture, and shape. The input parameters can be set by a user or determined by the AI image generator itself.